Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Palantir. It is time for another update, especially since today we broke the support zone provided in the previous video, and that does have some implications. But to start with the long time frame here, we are tracking a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then another 1-2 setup, and then within this third wave we so far have completed a 1-2, and I'm actually thinking that it is more and more likely that this third wave is still unfolding in this area, or either topped here or it is still yet to complete with maybe one more move to the upside. But assuming that it completed, I can provide you now a longer time frame support zone. Now that we broke the short time frame support zone, I can remove that count and even this support zone. And the longer time frame support zone would be between $113 down to around $63.4. And I also find it reassuring that in this area of support we actually have quite significant price action support level as well in these bottoms, these lows that formed over the time in this area. But never mind that, because we are still quite far away from those levels. Like, how much is it? Yeah, over 50%. And anyway, we could still be looking for higher, to be honest. Now, even if we did break the previous support zone that was provided, that doesn't mean that the third wave is definitely complete. We can still track for upside. And at the moment, I am thinking that probably I could see a decent probability for this to happen, but I would see this as a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, a fourth wave down, and then this would be a fifth wave to the upside to complete this wave 3. But then that would imply that this third wave actually completed here, and that we are tracking instead a leading diagonal to the upside, where we have completed a wave 1 in ABC structure, and then a wave 2 in the ABC structure, and then in the third wave also an ABC that developed, and now we would be in the fourth wave. And within this fourth wave we would expect to find support within the levels from $172.8 down to around $148.9. And I would say that actually, if we break this level, we might be able to find some other scenario to be looking for, but I would really find it even more likely that this trend to the upside would be over, although the structure might be a bit more unclear. I guess we could have here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, although it would look pretty bad, to be honest. I wouldn't really like that. And yeah, we might need a different way to count it, but then it wouldn't really matter, because we would be looking for the larger support zone in white that we have here. And yeah, as I said, a break below this 61.8% retracement would be a first indication that we may be shifting to this scenario instead. But so far I am still hopeful to find support in this larger area that is provided now, and to look for another fifth wave to the upside that would then develop in an ABC structure, since this is how we really developed over this count anyway. Now it could be also a bit different, where we have a 1, 2, and then the third wave would have ended here, and then this would be the fourth, and then it would actually be questionable. We would have to count this whole move somehow as an ending diagonal, and that wouldn't necessarily make it better. But I guess we could still find ways to look for more direct upside. But it could also be an argument to the fact that, okay, this third wave is over and we are now heading lower in the wave 4 into the white support zone. And yeah, as I said, this is a first indication, and a break below this wave 2 low would be even further confirmation that we would be in the larger wave 4 here. But for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.